everyone. All you vault dwellers and collectors of the Funko kinds. I got an awesome box in the mail today from Big Bad Toy Store because we like to save up all of our loot. Oh my.
Da-da-da-da.
This one's a little bit different. This might be why they sent it like this. So they already, like, I guess this one didn't come with a flap. This came with this thing right here. I haven't really seen them in stores yet.
That's awesome.
So this we're kind of laying about there. All right, so this time there's I think 12. And there's only 10 in the case. Yeah, 12. Hot Topic has 3 exclusives, and those, I mean, like they had Kate and I think like Codsworth's Glow in the Dark or something. So.
So how many's in this?
10.
10's in this one.
10. So I'm gonna start with number 1.
Okay.
Anyway, up 17 and up.
Ages 17 and up.
That's right.
Little Funko action.
Oh my gosh, why do I always have such a problem? Particularly, I don't want to be cut with a knife. Alright, so here's the back of the box here. So you can look and see what we have going on.
Wait for. It's 14.
4 times 3 is 12. Or is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? No, it's 15.
15, excuse me, sorry.
No, you're right, it's 14.
14.
Had to throw me off.
Oh, boo. So we ain't getting all of them.
No, we definitely won't. But hopefully, so Hot Topic has their exclusives, but I don't know if GameStop has theirs. Or they're going to get some because apparently GameStop hasn't received any yet that I'm aware of. In this neck of the woods.
These boxes are always hard to get open, by the way. Right.
They're either really easy or they're really tough.
Now, here goes the first one. We definitely don't have this one. We don't have this one.
We definitely don't.
Tearing that thing, girl.
I'm trying to, boy. Alright. So, reminder. Number 1 is Grognok.
Yeah.
Yeah, from the comics. Give you strength.
Yeah. If you are going to go melee in the game, this is the way to go right here, boys and girls. Get his outfit.
Need to get his suit. So he looks really awesome. He's got a little belt on. It's got little dots.
Cool.
And his little axe is cute.
Cool.
Awesome. Everything's in here. Alright. Number 2.
It's all Grognok.
Yeah. It's kind of what happened one time.
I'm gonna be like, that sucks, but at the same time, what's the odds of us getting a whole box of Grognok? I don't know.
Well, after you open them, it doesn't really matter. It's got the little pictures on there.
Cool.
All right.
Little vault.
Little vault.
Entrance.
Yeah. Well. Oh, okay. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So, that is Elder Maxon, if I'm not mistaken.
The commander of the
Brotherhood of Steel.
Let's kill them all. Let's kill them all. Like, really? All right.
No, they need to protect all the knowledge.
Yeah, by killing all the other fractions. Sorry, guys. Spoilers.
There's a whole thing on there.
Quicker look while she's doing that.
Yeah, take a look at him. I like the way his hair looks and the little attention to detail on his jacket, like the back. Look at that. Awesome. The front's really cool too.
They have a mod out to where you can get his outfit. Go get it, excuse me.
You just have to kill him.
I can't remember. I think you just go take it from him. You gotta meet him and then you can get it off of his body or something like that. You don't have to
Alright,
kill
number
him.
3. Hancock! Look at that! He's so awesome!
That face. The face is awesome.
Isn't that cool? Alright, so Hancock's one of the easier ones to get. Grognok is not. He's 1 in 72.
Damn.
We got lucky on that one. Oh, Silver Shroud's 1 in 72. Probably no chance I'm going to get both of those.
So, just to let you know, guys, these things do not stand up
very well.
Silver.
Yeah, well, Hancock doesn't, but the other two are standing just fine.
Yeah, they're just saying just fine, but
You know, there are little plastic things they can get, you know, slightly bend it by the heat and all sorts of things. Yeah. You gotta remember all the stuff they probably had to go through to get here. And, you know, to the place that sells it. Alright, so number 4. Alright. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Nick Valentine.
Woo,
look at the side of this face. Yeah, this is awesome.
They had to do a little bit of detail work on that.
Yeah, look at his eyes and stuff. That is so cool. I mean, like, he is super cool. Love his gun. Get you to take a closer look. So he's a 1 of 24.
That's cool, man. Well, which way do you want to go? No,
let me help you with that terminal.
Let me help you with that.
All right. So 5. All right. Awesome. Assaultron.
Whoa. Dang, those are some awesome.
Look at the claws on that thing. Oh my gosh, look at the back. All that detail. Oh, and the little legs and stuff too. I mean, that's just crazy. This thing looks awesome. I don't know if we can display how awesome that is.
Is it? It's an Assaultron or is it?
It's a Assaultron.
Yeah.
Isn't he cool?
Oh, gosh. They got some detail up in that thing with some multicolors on it. Good for them.
I know, that's awesome.
Good
awesome,
for them. Let's see if she
awesome.
stands or he stands. Barely.
Saltron's 1 and 12, so that one was easy to get.
They all moved.
They all move.
They all stand. The ones that are spread out with their legs like this, they have more tendency to stand. Damn the detail of that. Dang.
Alright, let's get back to it. So we're on 6
This will
here.
make us halfway through the box.
Yes, this is our halfway
What
point.
you want, girl? What you want?
I want, let's see here. Silver Shroud I already said. I would like to have Codsworth. And I already got Nick Valentine, so.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
That is freaking awesome, dude.
That is so cool.
Dude.
Look at that. I mean, this is the coolest one.
Oh, they gave it like a little stand.
Yeah, he's a 1 and 12, so I was really hoping to get him even though.
Oh, that is cool, dude. That is neat. That's really cool. Good for them, man. And it's like the flame, the attention to detail. Like it's a little hollow thing. Oh, so good.
Alright, let's get back on.
Let's get back on it.
Well, maybe.
The detail they've been doing on this set is really, really good.
It is.
Good for them.
Alright. Okay, McCready.
McCready.
Or MacCready.
MacCready.
I call him McCready. He can be one of your
Companion?
Yeah, companions, and if you're a girl, you can actually get him to fall in love with you, and then you get all this extra stuff when you sleep. So, yeah. And I was gonna say, which thing does he do, like, if you get him?
I forget. It's like, I think he boosts your snipering. I think. I could be wrong.
Yeah, well, anyway, it's really cool. Look at his gun. Look at the back of him here. He's got all this fun stuff. He's got his little knee down. I'll let you keep on looking at that.
I'll do the next one. Oh, he's got a knee down. He does have a knee down. Knee down. I took an arrow to the knee. I know it's old, but it's still relevant.
It's still relevant, considering the game comes out again, what, this month or next month?
Skyrim. Oh yeah, guys, I'm there. Skyrim. I'm a big Skyrim fan. Bethesda's ruined my life. Blizzard. Gosh, they've been doing it too.
They start with a B, they're gonna get us.
Yeah. Bandai.
Oh, Paladin Dans.
Wow.
Paladin Dans,
Look
people.
at that.
He's got the little Brotherhood of Steel emblem on his chest. I mean, this is just too cool.
The detail on these are good.
I know. Look at the back of that. I mean, this is just so cool. So cool. He's got little buttons on the side of his head there.
Good.
Paladin Dans is 1 of 6. That's an awfully big, little odds there, meaning that you're going to have a really good chance of getting those quite often. The last 3 will just be the 1 of 6 ones. Last 4. No, not really. I don't want that. I know. Sad.
No.
All right. Are you infatuated with Codsworth?
No, I was looking at the back of the box.
So he's been drifting all over the place. He is like obsessed with looking at. Oh, Soul Survivor.
Nice.
The Pit Boy looks good. Look at that. Got the 111 on the back.
Yeah, I think they're going through some of these.
Yeah. So she is a 1 of 6 as well.
What do you think about that? Almost like they could glow in the dark.
Why you say that? Oh, the Pit Boy.
The Pit Boys, yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, they do a good job with the colors.
You guys excited about the new Pit Boy coming out too? Oh, Bluetooth. Oh.
Yeah, it's awesome. Oh, no Soul Survivor.
So we only got one more left.
We got 2 more. 2 more.
2 more left.
Yeah, we still have time to get the Silver Shroud.
Get the Silver Shroud.
It's a good side quest. Alright, so let's see here. What's in the box?
Spoiler. Oh, well.
We don't have to tell them anything about what I'm saying. Oh, another Paladin Dans. I predicted this. It's the future.
Don't say that.
Oh, I got one more box
Just
left.
give me another Codsworth. Come on.
You want a Codsworth?
I want. That's cool.
I still want Silver
I
Shroud.
do too.
Piper would be okay. Or Preston. I'll have Preston.
Yeah. Surprise.
He should be in there like 1 and 2 because of
I
how
got
many
another mission for you. Do you?
Yeah, here's
Do
another
you?
one too, and you won't be able to get to both of them, so you'll fail one, and I will be very disappointed in you.
But you could try again later. Or how about right now?
I was gonna say they just call it something else and send you somewhere else. McCready.
McCready. All right.
McCready. All right, so that concludes everything. We didn't get a whole lot of them. There's a lot of 1 of 6 figures in here, so I'd end up getting doubles of all those, which is to be expected at this point.
Yeah.
I'm really happy I got a Codsworth.
Yeah,
Saltron is awesome.
I'm really the Cogsworth. Good gosh, it kills me, dude. It's freaking detailed out the yin yang.
Yeah, I was gonna say Grognok is definitely a win because he's like one of the harder ones to find. Yep. And this is like even silver looking.
When I first started the game, guys, I'll be honest with you, I went total I like guns. Don't get me wrong, I'm a big Skyrim fan, but this Skyrim fan, but this is when I wanted to go melee, his outfit.
That's what you do in Skyrim anyway.
Yeah,
guns.
you got arrows and stuff and
I don't want to
powers.
shoot arrows. That's
Hope there's a mod to make your magic like Harry Potter through the roof.
Leviosa.
Oh, if there's like a Voldemort skin or something on there. Alrighty.
Alright guys, remember, keep hunting. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment.